Welcome back to Keyboarding Online, and today we're going to look at Lesson 7. So let's go straight to our lessons menu, and if you have completed these lines successfully, you will now have checks all the way through to Lesson 7, and we're going to begin with line 1. Of course, as always, we get into our best technique position first. You should have that down pat by now, sitting up nice and straight. I like to sit on the edge of my seat so my feet stay flat in front of me as my anchors. My elbows are comfortable at my side and at my sides, and my fingers are gently hovering over the home keys as well as my space bar. Thumbs control the space bar. So in line 7, we're going to learn B, P, and W keys, but not until we've had a chance to do some 15-second timings of warm-up. So as we scroll through line 4, we're ready for the first new key in lesson 7. It is the B key. Now it lights up in yellow, but if you're confused, does F control it? Does J control it? Well, you can tell by the line here. We're going to practice with F. So F is going to reach far down to the right for the B key. I have students tell me all the time that they keep hitting V by mistake, or that they're just not reaching far enough is all it is. So it's a good reach, F down to B and back to F again. So let's try. Cursor in place, best positions, type B, 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 space, F, 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 space, B, 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 space, F, 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 space, B, F, B, space, B, F, B, space, F, B, F, space. Okay, 22 words a minute, no errors, and I've got a score on the board, so I'm off to a good start. So again, remember, it may be tempting to use a different finger, but we're learning the correct way, and we want to make sure we use and think each key as you strike, F, B, F. So a little more practice in line 5. B is controlled by F. Again, the same in line 6. And when we move on to line 7, we're learning a new key, the P key. Here it is. Lights up in blue, so SEM and only SEM will control the P key. Let's try that reach. SEM, 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 space, P, 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 space, SEM, 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 space, P, 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 space, SEM, P, SEM, space, SEM, P, SEM, space, P, I, E, space. And that's as far as I get. So we've got the P key now to practice in lines 8 and 9. Oh, we have a capital P. So we want to make sure we use the left shift and strike our P. Let's try that. Shift, P, U, T, space. Shift, P, U, T, space. A, B, O, U, T, space. A, B, O, U, T, space. S, P, E, C, I, A, L, space. S, P. That's as far as I got with that. Line 9, more practice for the P key. Line 10, the W key. It lights up in red. S controls the W key. S and only S. Let's try. S, 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 space, W, 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 space, S, 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 space, W, 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 space, S, W, S, space, S, W, S, space, S, A, W, space, S, A, W, space, W. And that's as far as I go. 25 words a minute, 0 errors. Moving along, more practice. Oh, we have a capital W. So it's S controls W. So that means that my right shift is used to make a capital W. Let's try. Shift W, I, L, L, I, A, M, space. Shift W, I, L, L, I, A, M, space. W-O-R-K, space. W-O-R-K, space. Shift with my left shift, J-O. So we're using both shifts in this case. All right, line 12, more practice for the W key. Line 13, now we start our 30-second timings, practicing all the keys we've learned so far. 30 seconds, building up our stamina. On to line 16, 1-minute timings for 16, 17, and 18. So you're doing really well. Keep it up. Keep practicing because practice makes perfect.